Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine, doing great at your homes. So students, I was explaining you about subtraction of algebraic expressions and we were solving the questions from the exercise, that is exercise 6a. So let's begin. We have solved till question number 2 and we have to start from question number 3. So let's start. So question number 3 is, first let me read the question for you. So since it's raining outside, so it might be a possibility that you will listen the sound of the rain droplets. So kindly bear that and really sorry for that. So question number 3 is, subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c from the sum of a plus 3b minus 4c, comma 4a minus b plus 9c and minus 2b plus 3c minus a. So students, in total there are 3 algebraic expressions of which you have to take the sum, and from that sum you have to subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c. So as I told you, anything which is written after the word from, यानी from के बाद जो चीज़ें लिखी होती हैं while solving the questions, that are going to come first. So firstly we have to take the sum of a plus 3b minus 4c, 4a minus b plus 9c and minus 2b plus 3c minus a. Now my question to all of you is, in all the 3 algebraic expressions, in the third one there is some mistake. So it's your task to identify that what is the mistake in the third algebraic expression. While I am writing it, please comment down in the comment section. Kindly pause the video and comment down in the comment section that what is the mistake in the third algebraic expression. For a minus b plus 9c plus, let me write the third algebraic expression also. So students, I have written the third one also, minus a minus 2b plus 3c. Now I am going to tell you the mistake in the third algebraic expression. It was minus 2b plus 3c minus a. But as per the alphabetical order, it should be minus a minus 2b plus 3c. Okay students, and then we have to subtract 2a minus 3b plus 4c. 2a minus 3b plus 4c. We have to subtract this algebraic expression from the sum of all the 3 algebraic expressions. So let's solve this question. It seems to be a little bit complicated, but it's very easy once you will start solving. So let's begin without wasting time. So students, instead of opening the brackets, since as you all can see that all the terms are added, there is no negative sign, we have to add the 3 algebraic expressions. So once we will open the bracket, the signs are not going to change. In case of addition, the signs are not going to change. So I am simply collecting all the like terms together. A plus 4a, then here it is minus a. Now coming to b, this is 3b plus 3b minus b and minus 2b. Now collecting the c ones, it is minus 4c plus 9c plus 3c. So as you all can see that in the first algebraic expression it was a, in the second one it was 4a and in the third one it was minus a. Coming to b part, it was plus 3b in first one, minus b in the second one and minus 2b in the third one. Coming to the c part, minus 4c in the first one, plus 9c in the second one and plus 3c in the third one. Minus, this will, since it is negative outside the bracket, there is a negative sign. So once we will open the bracket, the signs are going to change. So let's open the bracket. It will be minus 2a, minus is going to become what? Plus. So plus 3b minus plus is going to become minus. In case of a negative sign, the positive becomes the negative becomes the positive. Here also as you all can see that the positive became the negative. The signs are reversed in case of negative sign. Okay students, now let's solve this. A plus 4a, we all know that it is 5a. Now please students reply to me in the comment section, what is 5a minus a? 5a minus a is 4a. Now coming to b part, 3b minus b is we have to start only from one side, either from the extreme right or from the extreme left. So I am solving from the extreme left, that is from the beginning. So 3b minus b is 2b. 3b minus b is 2b. So 2b, again this minus 2b. So 2b minus 2b, it is going to be cancelled. So here it will be 0b. Either you can write 0b or you cannot write. If you will write nothing over here, then also it is correct. So now coming to the C part, minus 4c plus 9c. So plus minus minus and sign of the greatest number. So 9 minus 4 is 5. So here it will be 5c. Why plus 5c? Because 9 is the greatest number and it is having a positive sign. So plus 5c plus 3c. So here it will be 8c because 5 plus 3 is 8. Now 4a plus 8c, now I am writing this part, minus 2a plus 3b minus 4c. Now again collecting the like terms together. 4a minus 2a plus 3b, because there was no b over here, so I am not writing, plus 8c minus 4c. Now 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2a plus 3b, 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 4c. So what is the final answer? The final answer is 2a plus 3b plus 4c. So I hope you must have understood how I have solved this question. Now let's move on to the next question, that is question number 4. So without wasting time, let's begin, students. So students, question number 4 is subtract the sum of 8m within bracket 8m minus 7n plus 6p square and minus 3m minus 4n minus p square from the sum of 2m plus 4n minus p square. Again, after the word from the sum of 2m plus 4n minus 3p square and minus m minus n minus p square. So as per the rules, the sum of 2m plus 4n minus 3p square and minus m minus n minus p square is going to come first. Why it will come first? Because it is written after the word from, so we have to subtract it from that. So let's begin without wasting time. So as per the question, it should be 2m plus 4n minus 3p square plus within bracket it will be minus m minus n minus p square. From the sum of this, what we have to subtract? Subtract means a sign of negative. We have to subtract the sum of 8m minus 7n plus 6p square plus within bracket minus 3m minus 4n minus p square. Okay, is it so? I have done some mistake here. It should be, let me check, it's correct, there is no mistake. So here it will be p square bracket closed and then big bracket, square bracket. We used to call it as square bracket. Okay, so students, now as per the rule, we have to solve the things given in the bracket first. So firstly we will solve this bracket and then this bracket, then we will subtract both the sums. So 2m plus 4n minus 3p square, since there is a sign of addition, so there is no need to open the bracket, the signs will be same. Collecting all the like terms together, 2m minus m plus 4n minus n minus 3p square minus p square, we have to subtract it from the sum of this and this algebraic expression. So collecting like terms together, since there is positive sign, so signs will not going to be changed. So 8m minus 3m minus 7n minus 4n plus 6p square minus p square. Now close the bracket. Now solve the things given in the bracket. So 2m minus m is m. 4n minus n is 3n. Minus 3p square minus p square minus minus plus sign of the greatest number, so both are having negative sign, so negative sign. So minus 4p square. We have to subtract it from 8 minus 3 is 5m, minus 7 minus 4. Both are having negative sign, minus minus plus. Sign किसका लगता है? Negative का. Now 6p square minus p square, it will be plus 5p square. Right? I hope you must have understood. Now I am going to open the brackets. Since there is negative sign over here, so the signs will be changed. So now my question from all of you, what will be the sign of 11n? Please reply to me in the comment section. 11n का क्या sign होगा? Kindly pause the video and reply to me in the comment section. Now what will be the sign of 5p square after opening the bracket? After opening the bracket, you can reply in the comment section. The sign will be minus. Again what we have to do, we have to collect all the like terms together. So m minus 5m plus 3n plus 11n minus 4p square minus 5p square. Now here plus minus minus, sign of the greatest number. So minus 4m, 3 plus 11 is 14, so 14n, minus 4 minus 5 is equals to minus 9, because minus minus plus and sign of the greatest number both are having negative sign. So I hope you must have understood how I have solved these two questions. So now your homework is that you have to do question number 5 in your maths homework copy. Question number 3 and question number 4 you are supposed to do in your maths classwork copy. Subtract the sum of 8a minus 6a square plus 9 and minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a square from minus 3. So now you have to tell me the mistake in both the algebraic expressions in the comment section. It's your task for today. Both the algebraic expressions have some problem. 8a minus 6a square plus 9 is also having some problem. Minus 10a minus 8 plus 8a square is also. That means there is some error in both the algebraic expressions. So kindly correct it and mention your comments in the comment section. And then solve the question in your maths homework copy. So I hope you must have understood. Still if there is any query, any problem, you can comment down in the comment section. Students, bye bye, take care.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.